Hi viewers, let us continue our industrial steel trusses. In this, our next step is going to take a loads. In these loads, I want to take the definitions also. Why? Because of I want to use wind load. In this wind load, take wind load 1, add it, enclose. In this wind 1, add it here as per yes. In category 3, give the wind speed as 44 and click on apply and click on OK. Here, view the structures as steel trussed. Just click on OK. Here also add it and view the factor of intensity 1. Click on it and close it. Just assign this. Click on assign to view. Assign. Click on yes. Next, go to load case details. Go to add option. Here, first of all, I am going to give wind load. Add it. And dead load DL. Click on that. And next live load LL. Click on add it and close. Here, first of all, go to wind load, add option. Here in wind load, I want to select the wind load as X direction. It will be 1 or 0.075. Wind load as -1.41. Okay, just click on it. And again it in the direction, click on add it and close. Next, go to dead load, go to add option. In dead load, self weight will be 1, -1. Click on add it. And again in dead load, do the uniform load, member load. In uniform load, it will be -0.0607. These all values are according to code book. This is a uniform load. Click on add it and close. Next, we want to assign this. Click on assign to view. Assign. Click on this. All these are activated. And this is only for go to select option. Click on this. Click on save. Go to select. Here beams parallel to only Z direction are selected. Select this and assign to view. Click on this. Click on this. Here it will be not selected. Sorry. Go to select option, beams parallel to Z direction. Here go to add beam option. Here one beam is missing here. Okay, for this node we have to add the property also. Go to property. Here select missing attributes of missing property. Here it will be selected and assign this. Here for this I want to select this. Okay. After selecting this, go to select and go to the missing attributes, missing property. For this I want to give this. Click on assign, click on assign. Okay. Yes, it will be assigned perfectly like this, and this will be like this, and this is for our tops. Okay. Okay. In this we have to go to loads and definitions. In this go to load case details. In this we are going to get load. We have to apply this to the essential option. Click on assign and click on yes. Get load will be activated on that, and this is for module. You can also go to select option, go to missing attributes of it will be happening. Here we have to assign this. Just click this and it will be selected. Go to select option and select the beams parallel to y direction, and here just click on assign to selected beams, click on assign and click on yes. It will be acted like this. Next in live load also I want to give uniform direction of member load. In member load uniform direction GY, it is in -1.05. It will be assigned to selected beams, click on assign. It will be assigned like this. Just observe, it will be acted on this, and separate will be acted total upon this, and this is our wing load, and this is our wing load also. Again it will be taken in a opposite direction also. Go to wing load here. It will be taken as 1.41. It is in positive direction, it is in X, and in positive direction in Z. Click on edit and close. Here you can observe how it will be acted like this. Like this is our wing load, and this is our self weight, this is our uniform member load, this is our live load. Okay. So after applying the loads, I want to go to material properties. In material, just select the materials and click on assign to view. Click on this. Click on this. And here go to analysis and print option. Here no print option. Click on add it and close it. Go to analysis and run analysis and click on save it. And here observe if we have any errors or not. For a industrial trust. Yeah, here we don't have any errors. Okay, just go to Post processing now. Click on done option. Click on OK. Click on OK. Here go to animation. Click on deflection. Click on apply and click on OK. Here there is a deflection of life load. There is a slight deflections. If you change the loads here, and you can observe the deflections where we have got like this. This is due to wind load. This is due to dead load. Here there is a deflection here like this. Go to live load, it will be deflected. So here for 3 loads there is a deflection. And next go to animation. Animation are completed. Okay, next go to wing. In wing we have to observe the moment in z direction like this. Here it will be looking like this. It is in movement in x direction. Shear force all are visible, but the scale is very slow. Here there is a scales for us. Click on apply immediately. Okay. Here we have the shear force in z direction. It is in shear force in x direction, it is shear force in y direction, and it will movement in x and y directions. It is in z direction. Okay. Yeah, here it will be changes, but we can't observe why, because it is slightly variations for shear force and bending moment here. Yeah, this is a bending moment and shear force. Again go to scale option. Here in scales, click on apply immediately and observe the bending moment in their direction. Yeah, it will be increases like this. Here we have the scales and bending moment in z direction. When we have decreases, it will be shown like this. And this is the bending moment in y direction. Okay, next go to shear force of this bending moment, and this is our shear force. When we are off this bending moment, the shear force also decreases previously, so it will be visible like this. Okay. This is our shear force for this industrial trusses. Next go to modeling. In this we have to observe again this truss in 3D rendering. It will be a 3D view of this truss. Means this is our rendering 3D rendering view industrial trusses. Okay. So in our next video we are going to discuss about design of these industrial trusses. Okay. Thank you.